The diagram shows a regular octagon inside a regular decagon. The vertices A and B coincide with the vertices K and L, respectively. Find the size of angle CBM. So what we've got here is a regular octagon inside a decagon. It's a 10-sided shape, and the vertices AB coincide with the octagons. AB on the decagon coincide with KL on the octagon. And we're being asked to find the angle CBM, which is that angle there, this angle here. Okay, so how we can find that is if we find the interior angle of the decagon, then the interior angle, this interior angle of the octagon, and subtract the two, that will give me what's left. So the interior angle of any polygon is n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. For this to work, the shape has to be regular, i.e. all the sides are the same. So for the decagon, which is 10 sides, so n is 10, n stands for the number of sides, we're going to have that the interior angle is 10 minus 2 times 180 divided by 10. If we use the fraction button on our calculator and brackets and write it in exactly as it's written down there, you'll get an answer of 144 degrees. That means that each interior angle of a decagon is 144 degrees. Now for an octagon, n is 8, which is the same thing. The interior angle will be 8 minus 2 times 180 divided by 8, and that gives me 135. So angle CBM, the one that we have to find, is going to be angle ABC minus angle KLM. So that's going to be 144 minus 135, so it's angle ABC, and this is angle KLM. So it's going to be 144 minus 135, and that will give me an angle of 9 degrees. So this has been a video to show you about angles, in calculating interior angles of regular polygons. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.